Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix the login issue in Google Antigravity. If you're facing problems while using Google Antigravity, don't worry. Here's how to fix the major issues. Login and authentication issues. The most common problem is login errors. Check your internet, restart your browser or app, clear cache and cookies, and make sure your Google account credentials are correct. China and restricted regions. If you're in a restricted region or China, some services may be blocked. Use a VPN or region-compatible workaround. WSL2. Authentication. For Windows subsystem for Linux 2, ensure it's properly configured and authentication is enabled. Agent issues. Sometimes the agent causes login or service errors. Restart it or install the latest version. Installation and setup. Errors can occur due to corrupted or incomplete files. Reinstall and carefully follow the setup steps. Chrome extension. Extensions can block login or app functionality. Make sure they are installed and updated. Rate limits and quotas. Google Antigravity applies limits. If exceeded, wait and try again. Performance issues. Close unnecessary background apps and ensure your device is optimized. Compatibility. Make sure your device and browser meet Google Antigravity's requirements. Old browsers or unsupported OS may cause issues. Network and connectivity. Keep a stable connection and test by temporarily disabling VPN or firewall if needed. Following these steps will solve most Google Antigravity issues like login, authentication, region restrictions, setup, performance, and network problems, letting you use the app smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.